In this video, we are going to see about the ways of programs in Python 3. Topic is problem solving. It means the ability to formulate problems, think creatively about the solutions, express a solution clearly and accurately. So, what is a program? It is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform computation. It might be mathematical, that is finding the roots of a polynomial, symbolic computation, searching and replacing text in a document, graphical, that is image processing or playing a video. There are few basic instructions in a program, that is input, output, math, condition execution, and repetition of certain tasks. Now installing Python. Python 3 can be downloaded and installed by visiting the website python.org. The interpreter will start by clicking on the icon. Python interpreter is a program that reads and executes the Python code. You can see the following output. The first three lines contain information about interpreter and operating system it's running on. We can check the version 3.4.0. As it begins with 3, it indicates that you are running Python 3. Our first program, displaying Hello World. In Python, we can display the words using print statement. In interpreter mode, type print in parentheses and double quotes Hello World. It will print Hello World in the next line, and it will shows a symbol that is called prompt. It tells the user that the interpreter is ready to code. In the end of the chapter, some terms, that is value, basic things such as words, numbers, type, a category of values, syntax, rules that govern the structure of a program, phrase, to examine a program, bug, it is an error in a program, and debug, correcting errors or bugs. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for notification of my latest video. Thank you.